Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have layout number 4 from our current Vintage Vibes kit, as well as a sketch for the spending freeze that is occurring now in the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group. If you are interested in seeing or having that sketch in your sketch library, you can head over to the Facebook group and grab the sketch for free. During the months of January and June, we host a little crop in my YouTube channel where we all try to really dig deep and use up our stash during the months of January and June. There are challenges and all kinds of lovely things. If you follow along and you got one of the Vintage Vibes kits, then this will be your video for layout number 4. And again, you can always run over to my Facebook group, grab that sketch, so when you get to your layout 4 with your kit contents, you can go ahead and create using the sketch as well. So the only thing I did on my sketch to change it up was my photographs. I moved them from the right to the left just because of the way Fitzy is facing in the photographs. I wanted it to look like he was looking into the layout instead of looking out of the layout. I started with my pattern paper and some brown cardstock from my stash. I'm going to pull in a couple of things from my stash for this particular project. I just got the dies to go with this Ellie's Studio label stamp. I have had this stamp set and used the stamp set for years. But I didn't buy the dies till they were on sale for Black Friday. So I am stamping using a polished ink. I'm going to place that little label right there between my two photos, and that's going to work perfectly for the little bit of journaling. And I know some of you who are amazing and awesome remind me to date my layouts because you know that's a problem. This layout is the journaling is already done. The date is on that little tab. We are good to go. Whew. That is my hardest thing for me is dating layouts. And I have so many layouts to put away and date. And it's like the dark side of scrapbooking. I am going to go ahead now and work on my title. The sketch I created calls for a mixed font title. So that is what we're going to do. I am going to use these cute little circle thickers from American Crafts. I'm going to pair them with some pony colored Luna alphabets from Bella Boulevard. And then I'm going to use the stamp set that is included in our Vintage Vibes kit for this round. And I am going to go ahead and stamp the last part of my title so that my title says "Let's Stay In." I am stamping using Over Coffee from Catherine Pooler. Now for embellishments. This is a pretty simple layout design. So right now we have all of our important things, right? We have our basic design with our pattern papers. We have our photos. You could add a third horizontal 4x6 photo onto this page with no problems at all. So if you wanted to do that, a photo would go right there to the right of your title. One of our group members, Chanel, she was amazing and created another layout using this sketch, and you can find that in the post over in the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group. So every package of the Bella Boulevard Luna alphabets, in addition to all the letters, they also have all these cute coordinating puffy hearts that are just all over the sheet. It's like they put in the alphabet and then said, let's fill in the rest. And so they filled it in with these adorable puffy hearts. We're going to use a bunch of them on this layout as our little bit of confetti. Next, I am going to work with that large area beside my title. Again, this area could be used for anything. I'm going to embellish it with clear stickers and these chipboard thickers, but you could use anything you want. The only little nod to the fact that this layout is about my dog is going to be one of these little thickers that has the cute little puppy dog silhouette or puppy dog profile. Right there, that's it. That's all we're doing. And I'm just going to go through and create a little bit of like a gallery area. I'm going to use some frames. I'm going to fill in with flowers, things like that. There's lots and lots of frames on that clear sticker sheet. And the plaid paper is light enough that the clear stickers show up pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and work with using up some of the clear stickers that are in this kit. Again, didn't really realize they were clear stickers when I added them until I got them. And then I'm like, oh, guess we're doing clear stickers. So quite often I do this where I add like a big cluster of stickers. You can do it lots of different ways, but I have a name for it. It's called a curated collection of stickers. This is not a sticker sneeze. It is a curated collection of stickers. And this is a really great way to use up some stickers or embellishments that you're not, you find a little bit hard, like clear stickers. Clear stickers, I really didn't know when I put these in my kit that they were clear stickers. But we're going to use a bunch of them, and I do really like the end product, and I love a good curated collection of stickers. So if you're looking for some like how-to stash bush stickers, this is a great way and a great sketch to use a bunch of stickers on. You could also use a cluster of die cuts. I know some collections and companies have these ginormous die cuts in their packaging in some of their collections. This is one of those perfect opportunities to use a huge die cut onto this page. And again, you could also add in one horizontal 4x6 photo. The layout Chanel made was, hers has 4 photos on it, which I thought was really ingenious how she did that. So you can check that out too. If you have not joined the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group yet, I will put a link to that in the description box. I think most of the slate of my current Vintage Vibes collection is sold out completely. I'm almost positive that there is little to nothing left, but I will go ahead and check it out here for you right now. Okay, so actually I was wrong. There is a little bit of everything left, except for a couple of the papers sold out, and there are quite a few that are on like there's only a couple left, single digits inventory, things like that. So, and they're in quite a bit of the paper is sold out. But I will go ahead and link my wish list up in the description box in case there is anything you really want, like those. Most of the papers are sold out. There's some of these thickers, they're available, the layered stickers, the clear sticker sheets, some of the papers, and there's 5 left of the stamp set. So maybe if you love that stamp set, I would grab it. And I will link that in the description box below. But yeah, this was a super fun kit. So this is layout number 4. So I'll have one more process video. And then layout number 6 is always for my members. And a subscription to my membership, membership to my channel is super cheap. It's only $5 a month. And it gets you lots. We do a lot of things, but not, how do I put this? Like, not on a consistently fabulous schedule. So sometimes you'll get like, 3 or 4 videos in a month, because I have a really good like idea for anything. And then sometimes you'll just have one video a month or no videos a month. Just depends. I'm always really open with my my members about what's going on in my real life, how things are going, stuff like that. So I definitely, if you want a little peek like behind the curtain, that's also where I put in all of my classes. And right now I am working on a heritage class. But if that's all you're interested in is the heritage class, hold up, because it's not quite there yet. All right, that is where we are going to go ahead and finish up this layout. Thank you for listening to me kind of chat with you for a while. And I hope you enjoy this project. Last little bit. This is the Angel of Music Chroma Mist from Rediscover Monroe. I don't think it's in stock anywhere anymore, but it's so good. If I can find it, I will link it. But if you don't see a link for it, then that's why. But it's like black spray with like gold in it, and it's so pretty. Okay, here are all the close-ups, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.